In 2050, our world could be very different. The advancements in technology and urban development might paint a picture of a futuristic utopia, but beneath this veneer, a looming crisis could overshadow our progress. If we don't take climate action now, we might face some serious consequences. Picture this: the ice caps melting at unprecedented rates, industrial pollution choking our atmosphere, and people taking to the streets in desperate protests. Rising sea levels, devastating storms, and extreme heat waves becoming the norm. These aren't just isolated incidents, but a new reality we might have to live with daily. Coastal cities like Mumbai, New York, and Tokyo struggling to stay above water. Imagine the iconic skylines of these cities submerged, their infrastructures crumbling under the relentless assault of nature. Millions of people displaced, searching for new homes. Entire communities uprooted, forced to leave behind their lives and livelihoods. Climate refugees, a term we might hear more often. These are not just statistics, but real people, families torn apart by the unforgiving changes in our environment. And let's not forget the impact on our agriculture. Farmers, the backbone of our food supply, facing insurmountable challenges as their crops fail. With unpredictable weather patterns, crops failing, and food shortages becoming more common, feeding the planet's growing population will be a challenge. Supermarket shelves could go empty, and urban areas might see unprecedented crowding as people migrate in search of resources. Our health will also be at risk. Hospitals could become overwhelmed with patients suffering from climate-related illnesses. With higher temperatures, diseases like malaria and dengue could spread to new regions. Areas previously unaffected by these diseases might find themselves battling new health crises. Air pollution worsening, leading to respiratory problems and countless premature deaths. The air we breathe could become a silent killer, affecting millions. Biodiversity will suffer too. Many species may not survive the rapid changes. The delicate balance of our ecosystems could be thrown into chaos. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, could vanish, taking with them the marine life that depends on them. The loss of these vibrant ecosystems would be a devastating blow to marine biodiversity. Economically, the cost of inaction is staggering. The financial toll of rebuilding after natural disasters could cripple economies. From rebuilding after natural disasters to healthcare expenses, the financial burden will be immense. Emergency aid might become a constant necessity, insurance premiums skyrocketing, affecting both individuals and businesses. The cost of insuring against climate-related damages could become prohibitive. The gap between the rich and the poor could widen even further, as those with fewer resources struggle the most. Economic disparity might reach unprecedented levels, but amidst this bleak outlook, there is hope. Renewable energy sources like wind turbines and solar panels offer a path forward. We still have time to change course. Community projects and environmental activists are already making strides in the right direction. By committing to renewable energy, reducing emissions, and supporting sustainable practices, we can protect our planet for future generations. Electric cars, sustainable farming, and green cityscapes are just the beginning. The choices we make today will determine the world of tomorrow. So, what kind of future do we want to create? It's a question we must all answer. What do we want the future to look like? It's up to us. A vibrant, green future with clean energy and children playing in nature is within our reach. Let's take action now before it's too late. Thank you for watching. Your involvement can make a difference. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Spread the word and raise awareness. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on climate action and sustainability. Stay connected and informed. Together we can make a difference. Stay tuned, stay informed, and let's work together for a sustainable future.